See, so this is a list of experiments we are going to do and demo or go for a practice in a mechanical engineering laboratory. So we have here 5 different exercises. The first one is here. Just we can prepare some of the shaped metals. For example, we have to consider a square box, sorry, a square plate or a rectangular plate, or we go for a V joint, L joint, T joint, dovetail, whatever may be. So we can able to make some of the shapes by using the MS plate. MS plate is nothing but we can say as a mild steel, right? How can you prepare these shapes means just we can using some of the tools, right? What are the tools we are considering means especially go for a manual tools, that is mechanical tools or power tools. In some cases we are using the mechanical tools, and for some of the cutting purposes and polishing purposes we go for a power tools. So we are using a cutting machine, polishing machine and shaping machine. These are the main required tools for making some of the shapes depend upon our requirement. And how should the shape should be how should be the shape will be prepared means depend upon our required dimensions. So which will be given by our given by us. Else depend upon while go for the examination point of view, the faculty will choose the required shape, uh, especially for this practical section, right? And last class itself we discussed about the 4 various sections: fitting, carpentry, plumbing, and welding. Right? In welding, sorry, in fitting, we are going to do a 2 exercise. The first 2 thing, which is considered the category of fitting. Third one is a plumbing part. Fourth one is a carpentry, and final one, which is a welding. So based on the various 4 sections, we are going to do an experiment. Okay. So today we are going to see in fitting part, especially the first 2 thing, how to prepare a certain shapes using the MS plates and what are the tools required for it. And after preparing certain shape, how can you make a drill and taping and the MS plates. So these are the 2 main exercises we are going to see today. Okay. Well, so just you should know what is meant by fitting, right? Anybody tell me what is meant by fitting? Already we discussed in the previous class also, right? So just we can able to prepare some of the shapes depend upon our requirement uh, for a exact position, right? That is we can say as a fitting. What are the main tools involved in your fitting means? First one we can see about the workbench. So what is workbench? Which is nothing but for a preparation of some of the shaped metals, we need to place the metal. For that you can say as a bench, which is nothing but workbench, right? It may be a made of a wood material, otherwise you go for a steel table, whatever may be, just for placing some of the materials, whatever you are going to prepare shaping MS plates, it should be placed and we need to place the tools depend upon our convenient. So for this purpose, you are using a certain bench, we can say as workbench, right? And bench wise, any idea about the bench wise? Anyone? See. So this is a voice, right? So what you are saying is a bench weight means actually which is fitted on the table itself, right? You can see a handle, right, in this pictorial diagram. Handle. By adjusting this handle, we can able to tightening the thing, or you can able to loosening the material, right? So if you loosening the so just you can adjusting this handle means there is a gap will be obtained between these two positions. So that is a fixed jaw and this is movable jaw. So what is fixed and movable jaw means, if you are adjusting this handle means this portion can able to move, so that we can say as a movable jaw. Always it should be fixed one, right? So just you can able to adjust this handle. There is a gap takes place between the fixed and movable joint, where we can able to place the material and you can tighten this position, right? So after fixing the material, you can start to do your work, whatever you can go for your required shape. So simply what is bench wise means, we can able to fix the material, that is a working material, depend upon our convenient for a shaping material, right? Clear what is bench wise? And V block is nothing but if you want to prepare a material in the shape of a V, that is we can say as a V block, otherwise we can consider as a V groove. And what are the measuring tools? I hope all of you well known about the steel rule, right? What is the purpose of it? Steel rule. Anybody? What is the purpose of steel rule? By which we can able to measure the dimensions, right? Suppose we want to prepare a square metal, right? So how can you, when you're saying it's a square plate, anybody, what is the difference between square and rectangular plate? Anyone? How can you say which is square and rectangular?
Sir, all sides are equal, square, sir.
Okay,
Sir, in rectangle, length, breadth, two dimensions will come, sir.
okay. All the sides will be equal means which considered to be a square. If you're saying a length and breadth, it may be varied, which comes under the category of a rectangular, right? So for this purpose, right? Suppose we want to uh, cut the material for a 10 millimeter, right? So just by using the steel rule, you can measure the thing. So just for a measuring purpose, we are using the steel rule. So mostly we are not using the caliber. So caliber is nothing but just you can able to measure the diameter of any of the material, right? So whether you go for a inside or outside diameter, we can measure, but we are not using this caliber in this experiment, right? And I hope all of you will know about the vernier caliper, right? What is the purpose of vernier caliper? Anyone? Kana? I think all are using the vernier caliper in, I think from 8th standard itself, right? For a physical laboratory, you can measure some of the components, right? Or you can briefly study about the operation or measuring things of about the caliper, vernier caliper, right? Anybody tell me what is the least count of vernier caliper? Guys, no one have an idea. What is the purpose of using vernier caliper?
0.02 mm
So that is least count. I am asking about what is the purpose of using vernier caliper.
to measure minimum dimensions of an object.
Yeah. So which is one of the measuring tool, right? Okay, good. Then micrometer. So which is also the same thing for measuring some of the dimensions, right? And marking tools. So in marking tools, we have a surface plate, angle plate, scriber, all those things. So all those things just we can able to mark the material for shaping some of the purposes. So in this experiment, mostly we are going to use only a scriber, right? Just to see this one. So scriber means it's like a sharpen edge. By that we can able to mark the point where you can cut the material, where you can um, just we suppose we want to measure cut the material for a 10 centimeter dimensions, right? Just we can able to measure the 10 millimeter dimensions by using the steel rule, where you can just mark the thing by using this scriber, right? Then you can able to cut the material at the point of 10 centimeter exactly. Are you clear? What is the purpose of scriber? So scriber is uh, nothing but suppose we can able to use the pencil even for marking purpose, right? I'm right or not? No? Just to respond something, Paul. Otherwise, there is a one-side conversation, right? Suppose if you are using a wood material, means you can able to mark the dimensions by using the pencil, which is very clear, right? When you go for a steel material or a MS plate, right? If you're marking the dimensions by using the pencil, which is not clear, some dimension changes takes place. So in order to avoid that, you can able to use the scriber, means just you can mark the point exactly, right? So you can easily cut the material. So it is one of the marking tool. And what about the punches? What about punch core? Any idea? So which is one of the marking tool? Just we can place the punch tool on the mild steel, right? Then you can able to use the hammer. Just you can give a force on the punch, means there is a dot mark which is obtained on the mild steel, right? So by which also we can able to mark. So which is one of the marking tool, and which tri square is one of the most important thing. So in these experiments, or otherwise we can say the overview of our mechanical experiments demo, you are going to use maximum, scriber, and tri square. What is the purpose of tri square means? So this is a pictorial diagram of a tri square by which we can able to easily mark the angle exactly as 90 degree, right angle triangle, right? For this purpose, we go for this one. So these are some of the marking tools, and we move on to the cutting tools. Cutting tools by which we can able to remove the material. So depend upon the requirements. So in this, one of the most thing is a hacksaw. All of you uh, well known about the hacksaw, I think. We can able to cut the materials, or you can able to cut the bars, pipelines, flats, whatever maybe, right? Just you can able to cut the material by using the hacksaw. And file, in the file we can able to, we're having two things. One is a smooth file and a rough file. So what is the purpose of the file means? Suppose if you can cut the material, right? Suppose you can considering a 50 centimeter rod, you can able to cut the material into two things as a equal portion of 25 millimeter, centimeter and 25 centimeter. So what will happen on the cutting position? Any idea? Anyone? Just by you can using the hacksaw, you can able to cut the material. How should be the position of a cutting part? Whether it is a smooth surface, how should the surface of that one part? Whether it is a smooth surface.
So no, sir, it will be a rough surface.
Yeah. So for smoothing, you can go for a file. File is nothing but just you can placing the file on above the cutting part. Just you can give some amount of forces. By that we can able to smooth the material. And sometimes, suppose we can say, cut the material into two equal parts as a 25 centimeter. Whether it is exactly we can able to cut the material as 25 centimeter in all the times. Is it possible? Because our we are human beings, right? Exactly cut பண்ண முடியுமாப்பா into two equal parts as a 25 centimeter, even by marking the thing. Sometimes there is
Not
a
possible,
excess.
sir.
Sorry, pa.
Sir, 1 or 2 mm will be difference there.
Yeah, sometimes it may be higher than the 25 centimeter. Otherwise, sometimes it may be lesser than the 25 centimeter, right? Yeah. Suppose there is a small amount of excess material will be there. We can able to remove that by using the file also. Yeah. So I will show you the demo of all those things. So just I give you an overview what are the importance of this thing. So please be take a note of all those things definitely which will be asked in your Viva questions. We have here Viva questions for each and every experiment of 15 marks. Okay. So this is a different types of file: square file, triangular file, round file, half round file. So all those things which helps to smoothing the surface or remove the excess materials. Depending upon the application, we can select the one, right? So I will share the manual. You can go through all those things, right? So come to the part of our experiment. See, so this is the first experiment. Just we can prepare the workpiece for cutting operation. For cutting operation means simply we can prepare the workpiece as a square plate or a rectangular plate. So what are the materials required for it? Anybody? I asked to prepare a certain workpiece using MS plate. What are the materials required for it? உனக்கு என்னெல்லாம் தேவைப்படும்? Come on, pa. Just speak out something. நான் ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கா சொல்லி கூப்பிடணுமா? ஜஸ்ட் நீயே சொல்லு. இல்லைன்னா இன்னும் அப்புறம் தான் எதுவும் சொல்ல போறது இல்ல. We are all came for just for learning, right? I asked to prepare a workpiece. For example, you have to consider it's a square workpiece. What are the materials required for preparing that one? Anybody?
Sir, ruler for marking or scriber.
Sorry, Gino?
Scriber for marking purpose.
Yeah, okay, fine. It's all those things comes into the category of a tool. Before that, I asked to prepare a square workpiece. What is the material need for it?
Cutting tool.
Yeah, okay. So instantly just you can select some of the mild steel, right? That is the material. So by using the material, you can prepare a shape depending upon our requirement. It may be a square or rectangular, right? Sorry. Okay, fine. Suppose I have to prepare a square workpiece. How should be the dimension for that? I asked to prepare a square workpiece, right? How should be the dimension?
Sorry, a 50 into 50 mm plate.
Okay, for example, he may be considered as say 50 into 50. That means both the sides should be equal, right? Suppose I asked to prepare
Yes,
a
sir.
rectangular square plate.
30 into 50 mm.
Yeah, okay, fine. So, for example, suppose we go for a rectangular plate, it may be considered as a length is higher than the breadth, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So these are the two things. So mainly you are going to prepare square or rectangular shaped material using a MS plate. So depend upon the requirement, we can choose that one. So for example, now we are going to discuss about to prepare a square plate, right? Okay. We selected the material and dimensions also. So that is the first requirement, right? We selected the material as a MS plate and we are going to prepare a square plate. The dimension is, for example, I am considering as a 50 mm into 50 mm. So length and the breadth, both the sides as a equal dimensions of 50 millimeter, right? I hope all of you know the scale ratio, right? So for preparing this workpiece, what are the tools required for it? Now come to the part of your tool. Anyone?
Sir, file, flat file.
Okay. What is the purpose of file?
Sir, it's, the cutting dimension gets too large, like 0.1 mm or 2 mm means we can use the file to flat the
Okay,
surface.
good. Then file. Then what is the
Scriber
tool?
for marking purpose.
Sorry, pa?
So scriber for marking purpose.
Yeah, fine. Then what about others? Any other?
A bench.
Sorry, ma?
A bench.
Ah, sure. Bench wise. Then
A steel rule for measuring
for
length.
measuring purpose, we need a steel rule. Okay, good. Then any other? What is the tool used for cutting the material? This is very important, right? What is the tool? Name of the tool? Cutting tool?
A handsaw.
Yeah, hawk saw. Okay, right. So these are the primary tools required for preparing a certain workpiece. See, just you can considering a steel rule, right? So by using the cutting machine, otherwise, suppose we are go for a power tools, directly go for a machine. Suppose manually how to cut the material means we need a handsaw, right? And bench wise for fixing the purpose, right? And we can use the tri-square even for measuring the exact angle, right? That is a 90 degrees. So these are the some tools required for preparing a thing. See, I will show you the demo of how to prepare the material. Just you can look at the video. After that, we can discuss if you have any doubt. Okay. So just you can see what are the tools. Already we discussed about the tools. So you can see what are the tools available in our laboratory. So this is the various types of files. Okay. This is Hawksaw. Hammer. So this is tri-square. See, this is scraper. Now see, this is scriber. Right? We have a sharp edge by which we can able to easily mark the steel. Right? So this is punch. So we have a n number of materials. So we are choosing the mild steel for preparing the thing. Apart from that, we have a aluminum, some other materials also there. But we are going to use only a mild steel. So this is tools available in our laboratory. Then we go for what are the models we can able to prepare in a fitting section. Just you can see this is square joint. So this is V joint. Just we can able take the material in terms of V shape. So this is one of the internal joint. Like this, we can able to prepare n number of models in the fitting section. Half round with a hexagonal shape, dovetail. So this is internal square with the step joint. This is some of the models. Okay. Likewise, we can able to prepare models by using the MS plate in a fitting section. And see, this is a drilling and tapping, right? So this is the second axis we are going to see. Sorry. So this one, we will see what is meant by drilling and tapping. Okay, fine. All of it clear? You can able to get an idea what is fitting tools or what are the models we can able to prepare by using this section. All of it clear? Mainly,
Yes.
you need to know about the some of the tools, hawk shot. All of it clear? What is how should be the hawk shot and what is hawk shot? எப்படி இருக்குன்னு தெரியுதா கண்ணா தம்பி?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, files, scriber, tri-square, steel rule. These are the main things. I hope all of you can able to easily recognize what are the tools available in a fitting section. பண்ணிருவியா? நாளைக்கு ஒரு டூல் காட்டி இது என்ன நேம் கேட்டுன்னா சொல்ல தெரியுதா? சொல்ல முடியுமா?
Yes, sir.
So what about others? Only Snega and Sudhir. Sudhir, give you a response. What about others? All are in line or what happened? Okay, just we will see how to prepare a workpiece for a suppose if you go for a square joint or a rectangular joint. So for that, what are the things we need? So just you can go through this video. So please clearly watch the video. So see, so this is the bench, right? Where you can place all the tools and what are the materials required for this thing. So what is this for? Already we say we can able to cut the material whether you can go for a manual or power tools, right? What is power tools? Any idea what is power tool? Hey,
So with
சொல்லுங்கப்பா.
electrical supply,
Huh?
so with electrical supply, we can cut the materials.
Yeah. So without taking much more risk, right? We can able to easily do the work by using the electrical power like that, right? So this is a cutting tool by which you can able to easily cut the tool depend upon required shape. Already we measured the, so see, so initially you can take the one of the length cutting material, material. Suppose we can need to cut the material for a 10 centimeter, just you can able to mark by using the scriber, right? So this is scriber, just by like this we can able to think, right? Now you can use the cutting machine, just you can cut the material, right? So initially just you can fix the material tightly. So just to switch on our thing, you can able to cut the material, right? So already we are using a 3 tools, right? Next, this is a shaping machine, so which is one of the power tools. Whether you can go for a file, suppose you are you can shape the material by using the manual work, means you go for a file. So just you can fix the material on the bench wise and you can use the file for smoothing the surface. Else directly you can go for the shaping machine, just you can smoothing the surface. So this is shaping machine. Shaping, otherwise we can say as a grinding machine. So now just we can able to smoothing the surface by using the grind wheel. So what is this? Anybody? What is the name of the tool?
Sir, abrasive material.
No, I am asking this one. Uh, wherever I am showing the arrow, see this one. Bench wise in பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is movable jaw, this is fixed jaw. By using the adjusting the handle, we can able to fix the material, right? Yeah, it's the purpose. Just you can able to fix the material by using the bench wise. So now you can able to prepare some of the shaping thing. Yeah, you can clearly see. So this is a file. Like this also we can able to smoothing the surface by manual work. Yeah, எப்படி பண்ணலாம்? Right? We are preparing a square joint, right? For that you can mark the point. So the dimensions which will be given by us, right? So just to marking the lines using scriber where you need to cut the material. Yeah. So for example, we are preparing a square joint. So for example, here I say 50 mm from the center portion and 50 mm from the center portion. So this portion we need to remove. Okay. So just you can go for your hawk saw. So before that you can tightly fit in the material in the benchwise. See, like this we can cut this material exactly on the same position whatever we marked already. Right. So after remove the material, right? Definitely this edge will be a not a smooth surface. Again, just you can using the file we can smooth the material, and sometimes while remove the material there is a small amount of excess material will be there. We can able to remove that one. So finally you can able to prepare a joint